Exfo has been benchmarking OTDR performance for over 17 years. Today, Exfo is raising the bar once again, boosting OTDR performance through a game-changing solution designed for FTTH service providers around the world. Discover the Intelligent Optical Link Mapper powered by link-aware technology. This patent-pending technology comes in a revolutionary software that automates OTDR acquisitions to fully exploit the potential of currently available OTDRs. Today, network operators are using more and more technicians with a copper background to characterize their fiber optic networks. The iOLM addresses this context since it is a self-setting device that requires no optical testing skills, making an OTDR expert out of any technician right from the get-go. The evolution of FTTH topologies has brought multiple challenges wherein an OTDR scope of action can be limited. Examples include MDU links with closely spaced events and short distances, passive optical networks with high loss splitters and multi-stage splitters, all of which require both an excellent performance from the unit and extensive test knowledge from the user to achieve full characterization. Even with a powerful OTDR, technicians without proper experience will leave some faults unaddressed, creating turn-up failures or erratic network behavior. Up until now, OTDR technology would only allow acquisitions with a single pulse width, representing the best compromise to test the link. However, no network can truly be considered exempt of errors unless a few acquisitions are taken at different pulse width to assess the different sections of the link. A short pulse width to check the customer's drop fiber up to the splitter, and then a long pulse width to reach the end of the fiber going through the splitter. Such an approach would provide a more accurate view of the link while pinpointing the hidden event that could induce a network fault. But the reality is that no one has the luxury of enough time to perform multiple acquisitions, concatenate the countless results, and analyze them. In addition to being time-consuming, this methodology requires skills that very few technicians have. But what if the test instrument did this for you? What if the expert was inside the test unit? It would indeed be an industry first, one that Exfo developed for you. Designed for FTTH and MDU networks, the iOLM's advanced algorithms automatically launch multiple acquisitions at multiple wavelengths and automatically consolidate the results obtained for every element of the network. The combined results are presented in one easy-to-read link view and can be exported into a single file report for quick job closure. In the end, prompt diagnostics enable technicians to directly address the fault. All this done automatically at the push of a button without having to set complex parameters, a concept that goes well beyond a traditional OTDR auto-setting mode. Driven by Exfo's link-aware technology, the iOLM pushes instrument usability and results analysis to new heights. In the end, it redefines OTDR performance and takes the hassle out of your daily work. Go beyond OTDR. Leave no faulty network behind.